Welcome to our aBlocks tutorial series. Today we're diving into the Marquee Block, a fun way to showcase scrolling text or promotions on your WordPress site. Let's get started. First, go to the section where you want your marquee. Click the plus icon, search for Marquee, and insert the aBlocks Marquee block. There it is, the Marquee block is added. Next, we'll customize it. Let's keep going. Go to the block settings and choose the direction you want the content to scroll, left or right. Now, click on the plus symbol button to add areas for your content. You can add as many blocks as needed to organize your text or images. Click on any of the added blocks, then go to the parent block settings. Next, add an image block inside one of your content sections. Upload an image that fits your design and adjust its dimensions for consistency and responsiveness. Repeat this process and add your content in all the created spaces, whether it's headings, text, icons, or more images. Let's finalize the scrolling effect. Reconfirm the scrolling direction. Adjust the spacing or gap between each block and enable pause on hover for better interactivity. Turn on the loop toggle so your content scrolls continuously. Then, tweak the speed setting for a lively, smooth scrolling effect. A good balance ensures it's readable yet dynamic. Once you're satisfied with your setup, hit save and preview the animation to make sure everything looks just the way you imagined. And that's it. You've created a fully customized marquee section with images, content, and smooth animation, all without touching a single line of code. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more WordPress tutorials like this. Until next time, keep building beautiful websites.